Now this is the tank for the Comus organ. I'm taking some iron. This is going to be very sensitive Comus, so I will try to do very sharp these things. Now I am making wall from the circle. It looks like this. Now the main form become polerated. I made it. See? One. Two. To make it better statistically. Like this. But like this. And up. I'm trying to get angle, good angle. See? It should be like this. And it also this one. Now I'm making it round. Should be round. See? Then I'm making like this. See, it's physical. Let's see. This is the place when it should be beautiful. It should be beautiful and around. Like this, yes. Now I'm going to try to make this tongue goes through this and goes very precisely. That you see, it's like this. It's not. It shouldn't be like this. It should be very. With these old things, I can corrugate this furniture. Now it's beautiful, but still, you see, it's not practical enough. Still, I'm thinking now how to make it perfect. See? Now you see the form is more or less. Now I'm going to cut some metal here in the form and take this into this form. Now you see it's quite good enough to do these things, and it's quite precise. It's when you see the line and the light, you see a little line. It should be a little. Okay. See, now I'm trying to to hit it very good, and then I'm going to separate. I have this tool to switch, and I'm going to do it, but you don't look. Yeah, well, okay, you look. See, it should be like hit very good. It should be right. Oh, see, it's kind of complicated because I'm trying to do very small circle. After some trying to make it circle, like this, I'm doing like this. You see, I'm hitting it until red, and then into the water. You hear that? And roots and mix. See, but now I will try. Okay, it's good. Now you see, it's just like an egg. Like seems like unreal. Oh, unneeded. I mean it unneeded. You don't need this tail anymore. We can cut it. See? Oh, I'm cut. See? I just broke it, pruned. And then I'm going to this. See? It's like this. Okay. Called pressure. Some little corrugations. To make it very good, to make it perfect until here. Stop. You see this? This is good. Now I've made some corrugations and more thin. It seems like I've done. So I can just I'm going to play the sound.